So this instrument is called the Inanga reDzimbahwe, or the Inanga in the Zimbabwean tradition. The body of the instrument is from the instrument in East Africa called the Inanga. It's played in Rwanda, it's played in Burundi, in parts of Uganda. The strings are from a Chinese instrument called the gusheng, and the arrangement of the strings is like a marimba. So if you play, and the playing technique is kind of similar to the mbira, because you'll be using these fingers, your left thumb and your right thumb index finger. So when you're playing, you can play some traditional Zimbabwean songs. These little bridges are movable, so you can even micro tune if you wanted for precision. And then there are some guitar tuning pegs here at the end, and then also I added these metallic parts as well as the bottle caps to give a more Zimbabwean sound, because the Zimbabwean mbira has a lot of buzzing sound to it. And then the metallic parts amplified the sound, because these strings resonate really well on metal. But yeah, that's Zimbabwe.